Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to send a video through Gmail or email. So let's go to the Gmail first. Now after login to your Gmail account, you have to click on this compose, which is top left corner pencil icon, and then you have to write here the email address whom you want to send, like this. Now put a subject here. Write your subject, and here write your mail. After that, if you want to attach a video here, you have to click on this attach files and choose a video which is less than 25 MB. Okay, otherwise it will if it's exceeded the 25 MB, it will go as drive link, Google Drive link. Okay, so you have to select a video which is less than 25 MB, like this one. Then it will be here attached. You can see the video is 8 MB. If it's to exceeded 25 MB, it will not be here. It will go as Google Drive link. It will not going to as email address. Okay, so after click on send, this video will be sent to that specific location or person email. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.